Hey everybody, I'm here today to do a review of these products right here. These are actually the Ryobi medium bristle drill attachments, and these are essentially a cleaning kit for drills. So as you can see right here, the kit that I got came with 2 of these drill attachments. So you can basically see that each of them has a drill bit on one side, okay, something that can be attached to a drill or an impact driver, which I'll demonstrate momentarily. And then they have this sort of like a molded plastic base, okay? And then they have these bristles here, and I got the medium bristle version. Now it came with 2 of these. One of them is sort of like for using it on a flat surface like this, okay, like straight on, I should say perpendicular. And this is for using it in more of like a parallel or perpendicular motion. So you can use it like this, or you can use it like this, okay? Now they're really, really simple, and I actually have used them just briefly to clean just a few things, just to test them out for this review. But I plan on using them for many different things. So I will tell you, you will probably be seeing these in quite a few of my future videos whenever I'm cleaning something, because I spend a lot of time cleaning things with my hand and a sponge, like a scrubbing sponge, or even a cleaning toothbrush, a toothbrush that I literally keep around the house in the laundry room specifically for cleaning things. And having these can eliminate a lot of that elbow grease. And don't get me wrong, I'm a fan of hard work. But if I can save some time by using these, then I'd rather work hard on other things that reflect my skills and talents a bit more, as opposed to simply scrubbing something, okay? So with that being said, like I said, I love cleaning, I love elbow grease, I love hard work. But if this can speed that process up, then guess what? I can make more videos for you all. So basically, the bristles are medium bristles. So we're not talking about nothing very coarse, nothing very soft. They're medium. And I got medium because I could use them in many different situations. I'm not looking for something really, really coarse, really aggressive. I'm not looking for something really, really soft, like an old toothbrush. I'm looking for something in the medium zone, and these are perfect. And as you can see, they have many different holes where a lot of bristles come out of each individual hole, each individual port. Really, really simple. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to place them inside of one of my drills and an impact driver, just sort of show you how they work over here. So what I have here is my drill. Okay, let's go ahead and let's place one of them inside of the drill. Give me one moment over here just to tighten it up. There we go. Okay, so as you can see, it's in the drill, and now I can simply turn the drill on and scrub away. And obviously it depends on your drill. If you have a fast drill, an aggressive drill, you're going to get a lot more speed, right? So as you can see, more pressure, less pressure, more pressure, less pressure. Really, really simple and straightforward. In addition, you can equip them to an impact driver, as you can see right here. So I'm going to just go ahead and I'm going to put them inside of the impact driver, as you can see right over here. Just like, oops, sorry about that. Just like this. Place them in the impact driver. There we go. It's nice and securely in place. And the impact driver, this impact driver has a bit more speed than my drill. So check this out. Look at that, right? I can go straight on like this, or look at this, sideways. It's really, really, really versatile. So with regards, and then it just comes out really easily, just like that. With regard, I love how when I put this thing down, it just travels by itself, as you can see, because of the bristles. I don't know why. Every time I put it down on the ground like this, it just, it makes me laugh, because it's like, look at that. Whoop, whoop. Okay, we're going to leave it there. It's all good. Essentially, they are great for whatever you need them for. Whether you are, scrubbing like something in the house, something in the garage, something outside, and with regards to like landscaping, these things are so versatile. I mean, like now that I got them, I feel like every couple of years I'm just going to replace them, because I'm sure they'll still be good, but I'm going to want, to really make sure that I have them working perfectly. Or, every couple of years I can just buy a different set. So I can buy the soft bristles, another couple of years. They're different sizes. There's smaller ones, there's larger ones. I like these a lot, and I wanted to review them, and I plan on continuing to get more, because I feel like they're going to be unbelievably useful for so many different projects. But that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.